Is your garage door refusing to close? It might be an issue with the safety sensors. In the Barrack Heights area, we know how crucial a fully functional garage door is to your daily routine. Malfunctioning sensors, whether they're dirty, misaligned, or just faulty, can prevent your door from closing properly, compromising both convenience and security. Don't wait for the problem to escalate. Call us today at 0409774111. Our team of qualified professionals in Barrack Heights will quickly diagnose and fix your sensors, ensuring your garage door operates safely and efficiently. Get peace of mind with a simple phone call.